Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dada. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn maths in our classroom with the green board. Okay, we are going to learn all our maths topics in our classroom on the board. Okay, now our subject is maths and the topic is multiplication and division. Here we can write like this also. This is multiplication sign and division sign. Yes students, I have selected here green board so that all of us will get the feel of classroom. Isn't it? Okay, we will move to our sums. Yes, today first we will deal with the multiplication. Yes students, you know how to multiply the numbers given by two-digit numbers. Today we will learn multiplying a given number by a three-digit number. Okay, I will write a number. This is 675. It is a given number. Multiplied by 342 means this is a three-digit number. By this number we are going to multiply 675. Okay, we will put a line. Yes students, you know that we will multiply from unit place. First we will multiply 675 by 2 because it is in the unit place. So we will multiply this. 2 5s are 10. 0 I will write down and 1 carried over. 7 2s are 12 plus 1 50. 5 I will write down, 1 carried over. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, this we will write in the first row below this. Please observe. Okay, here while doing the multiplication we need tables properly. Correct? Now our first step is over, that is multiplication by the unit place. Now we will move to the multiplication from the tens place. That is 4 is there in the tens place, so we are writing 40. Okay? Now 0 first we will give here. Then because unit place is 0. Okay? 4 5s are 20. 0 I will write down and 2 carried over. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, that is 30. 0 down and 3 carried over. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. Correct? Okay, this is the answer for 675 multiplied by 40, that we will write below here. Yes. Okay. Now our tens place working also over. Then we will move to now hundreds place. Again I will write 675 multiplied by 300. 3 in hundreds place means the value of 3 is 300, isn't it? So first we will put 2 zeros. Now we will start the multiplication of 675 by 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 5 will write here, 1 carried over. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. 2 I will write down and 2 carried over. Now 6 3s are 18 plus 2, that is 20. Okay. Again we will write this big number below that line. Okay. Now here our multiplication is completed. Now we will add all these numbers. Okay. 1350 plus 27,000 plus 2,02,500. Okay, we will add these three numbers. We will start from unit place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Here 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. So 1 carried over. 2 plus 1 is 3 and here 2. Okay, this is the answer. Got this, children? You know, of 2 digits, same procedure we have to follow for 3 digit also. Then we will get the proper answer. Okay, here tables knowledge is must for this multiplication. Okay. Now dear students, we will go for multiplication of 4 digit number by 3 digit number directly. Here I will go directly. Okay. First we will multiply 2754 by 3. Okay. Now remember this. 3 4s are 12. 2 carried over 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 6 I will write here. 1 carried over. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. So 2 here, 2 up. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. Correct? Now the work of 3 is over. Now we will move to tens place, that is 8. We will multiply the given number by 8. 8 4s are 30. Sorry, here first we will put 0 first to the units place. Now 8 4s are 32. 2 we will write here and 3 carried over. 8 5s are 40 plus 3 is 43. 4 carried over. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 is 60. So 0 here and carried over, that is 6. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 is 22. Okay. Our tens place, that is 8's work is also over. Now we are moving to the hundreds place, that is 4 is there. Okay. First we will put 2 zeros. Now 4 4s are 16. 6 here, 1 carried over. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is 21. 1 I will write here, 2 carried over. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30. 0 here, 3 carried over. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Plus we will put, now we are going to add all these numbers. We'll start from unit place. 2, here 6 plus 2 is 8. Here 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11. 1 carried over. 8 plus 1 is 10. 0, 1 carried over. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. Okay. Now here children, you have to remember whatever carried over numbers. Okay. While doing addition. Because you are in 5th standard. You are grown up. Right? Okay. Is it clear? Now, dear students, one sum we will take on multiplication. See here, 1 hour has 3600 seconds. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? This is multiplication. It is clear. Okay, so how we will multiply? We will multiply 3600 by 365. Correct? You know how to do multiplication in stepwise. Correct? You will do now this one. I will leave this for you. Okay? Now we will move division. Okay, division sum we will take. Here also for division we need subtractions and tables we need. This is division mark. You know, from third you are started to do division sums. Correct? Okay. 7850 we will write inside and 15 we will write outside. Okay. Now we always start division from left hand side. Correct? 15 and 7. Oh, 7 is smaller than 15. So we will take 0 here. So 15 zeros are 0. So 7 we will write down. Okay, and 8 we will take down because second digit we need because 7 is smaller. Now it is 78. Okay, 78 is bigger than 15. So we need the 15 table. So I will write here 15 table. You should know tables up to 20. Okay. Okay, now 15 tables. See, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90. No, 90 is larger than 78. So we will take 15 fives are 75, isn't it? We have to take 15 fives are 75. Okay, I will write 5 up and 75 here. Minus, okay, then what is the answer? 78 minus 75 is 3. Again 3 is smaller than 15. So we will go for the next number, that is 5. We will write 5 down. Now it is 35. Okay, 35 is larger than 15. Again we will move to the table. Yes, 15 twos are 30 is a suitable one. Because 15 threes are, that is 45 is larger than 35. So I will take 2s are. 2s are how much? 30. Okay, now 35 minus 30 is 5. Again smaller. One more number is there in the dividend. So we will take that one down. That is nothing but 0. Okay, again we will move to table. Come on dear students, tell me. Yes, correct. 15 threes are 45 we have to use. Okay, I will write 15 threes are 45. Minus sign. Again 50 minus 45 is 5. Now our numbers are finished. No numbers are there in the dividend. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the names, different names of this division. See, this is called dividend. Okay, this is called dividend. And the number by which we divide is called divisor. Remember these numbers. And whatever the answer we got is called quotient. And what is remained down, that is called remainder. Got this, students? Okay. One more sum we will go through so that it will become clear for you. Okay, one problem sum is there. The contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Altogether 2,925 rupees were collected. How many students had paid for the picnic? Yes, dear students, we are inside the class, correct? We are doing the maths on the board. Yes, now we are going to the picnic. Now each child contributed 65 rupees. And now I am having 2,925. Correct? Now I want to calculate that how many students had paid money for the picnic. Okay, I will see here. Yes, students, please help me to calculate this. Now, yes, we have to divide here. Okay, we will write the same thing in under the division mark. Okay. Now, first we will start from 2. 2 is very smaller than 65. So, 65 zeros are 0. Now, 2 remain. Now, we will take 9 down. You know that one. But 29 again it is smaller than 65. So, one more zeros are. I will take 2 down. Now, 292. Yes, that is larger than 65. Now, I need table for 65. Okay, I will write some table. Okay. Now here 292 is our target, means which I have to select. Correct. 65 fours are 260. Now here 260. Okay. Now 292 minus 260, because that is 4 ja, what remained? Here 2 minus 2 0 means 32 remain. That is also smaller than 65. So we will go for the table. So we will take 5 down first, then we will go for the table. That is 325. Yes, 65 5s are 325. Correct. 325 we will use here. Now what remained? Nothing. 0 0. Here remainder is 0 0. Yes, students, can you tell me how many students had paid for the picnic? Yes, you are right. There are 45 students. All students of our class had paid for the picnic. Yes, are you ready to move for the picnic? Yes, okay. We will go to the picnic after the lockdown. Okay. Yes, this is for your homework. Page number 16 has multiplication sums and page number 19 has division sums. Please practice this. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good day.